Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khadse Talent English Medium School, Muktayanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to learn a beautiful chapter name that is came from Unit 4th, Prose. Unit 4th, Prose section. And it is came from the Marigold textbook, and the lesson name is My Elder Brother. So, it is just like a drama. I think you have to understand. So this is a story of which is came from the Premchand, titled Bade Bhai Sahib, written by Premchand. The title name is Bade Bhai Sahib. The story shows the experience is as important as hard work. Okay, how a brother, big brother, help working hard for smaller, and what was the responsibility he is taking for his small brother. So from this lesson, from the story, we can get proper idea, and he has some picture for you that you can understand properly and clearly, just like it is a drama you might have seen here. So like that, first, so it is given for you as a picture, scene 1, right? In scene 1, what is the a hostel man? Actually, they are living in a hostel. So hostel room, two brothers is 9 and 14, sitting a study table. The elder brother, I mean Bhaiya, is reading a book, and younger one, Munna, is drawing picture of bird and animals. Are you getting my point what I am saying? This is our first scene. In the first scene, the living in a hostel. Both are sitting in a study room, and in the study room, big brother reading, and small brother is making some pictures of birds and animals. Now Bhaiya is speaking. What are you doing, Munna? What are you doing, Munna? Munna telling, I am drawing. Oh, Bhaiya, when you will study, wherever you are, in the morning, when you study, and where in the morning, subh kaate tu, what are you doing? Munna, turning pale. I was playing, Bhaiya. I was playing, Bhaiya. How can you sit with a book for hours together? I was playing, Bhaiya. How can you sitting hours and hours by looking, watching, holding the book? Bhaiya telling, that's because I want my foundation in education to be very strong. If the base is strong, then the building will stand firmly. Sometimes it takes me 2 years to do 1 year's work. Are you getting my point? Understand? Means he is saying, why? Because I want to make strong my foundation. I want to strong it. Otherwise, sometimes we have to work 2 years of works, 1 year work. Munna telling, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am. You are 5 years older than I am. And
Mr. Thiru sir, please pick up
3.
the phone. Mr. Thiru sir, please
Just
pick
minute.
up the phone. Mr. Thiru sir, please pick up the phone.
Next. Now Munna is speaking. Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than I am, and 3 classes ahead of me. I wonder why you keep writing the same word 20 times, one sentence more than 20 times, and copy a poem several times in beautiful letters? Brother asking to big brothers that, Bhaiya, you are 5 years older than me and 3 classes ahead of me, but still you are writing 20 times, 30 times for a sentence, each sentence 20 times writing, each sentence each word 20 times, and the poems repeatedly you are writing with beautiful handwriting. So why you doing? Bhaiya saying, you know, studying English is no child's play. Oh, studying English is not children's play or child's play. One has to work very hard in order to learn the subject, to speak and write English properly. Tremendously effort required. If you want to study well, if you want to write well, if you want to speaking well, so you have to give the more effort. That is not an easy job. Okay, but the moment you get a chance, you run to the field, play marbles and play paper kites, or sit idling away with friends for fun. Can't you sit down and study? What do you say? But you are getting the chance, you are not utilizing. You are going outside and playing with marbles and making kites and playing with kites and different type of tools you playing. Why don't you study with a book? We have a chance for you. We have plenty of times for you to study, but you couldn't. Why you are doing such a things? Big brother telling to small brother. Then what Muna said, oh Bhaiya, there is a big mela in the village today. Should you go? Bhaiya, what study? Leave it. Today is mela, any festival. Should you go there? We enjoy there. Small kids, he always try to attend some enjoyment, right? So now Bhaiya is saying, what the Bhaiya is saying? Have you ever seen me going to a fair or going to watch a cricket or hockey? I don't go near them. I prepare to study a book. I don't mind repeating a class for more than 2 years. But you might stay in the same class all your life. All your life. So, do you expect to pass? If you waste your time playing all the times, you are simply wasting father's hard-earned money. So, when the small brother is saying that, Bhaiya, we will go to the fair. Mela is going there. So, we will enjoy, we will go there. Bhaiya, please. Bade Bhaiya speaking, brother, you are wasting the time. You are wasting. Whenever कभी मेरे को देखा क्या मैं कहाँ घूमने के लिए कभी जाने वक्त तुम देखा क्या? Whenever went to go to any other places, have you ever seen me that I went to Mela or I saw a cricket match or whatever maybe? Have you ever seen? No. Then why you are wasting your time? If you are wasting your time like this, can you expect to pass yourself? The big brother telling to small brother, if you wasting your time like this, you cannot pass. Is big brother saying, and you are wasting our father's hard-earned money. Munna, what do you say? Munna started crying and being scolded and solving sounds was started crying. Small brother, when you scold them, so they will cry like that, isn't it? So like that, Munna also did. Bhaiya, I feel like running away and going back home. No, I don't want to stay here. I don't want to stay with you. I will go to my home. He cried and started to speak like this. Then what Bhaiya what said, listen. Now, stop crying. Put on a nice smile. Look, I will make you a timetable for you to follow. Get up or down. Then after, stop crying. Stop it. Stop, my brother. Please smile, please. Means Bhaiya started to convenience to his brother, and he said that don't worry, I will make you for timetable, new timetable, nice timetable, that you can follow it and work will be easy. Okay, so he made the timetable for his brother. Then what happened? Munna said, but when is the time to play? This is all the doing. When you play time? I want to play. When? Bhaiya told, play? What is the need, Munna? Play. You don't need play. Munna, oh, I love the green field, the gentle breeze. I want to jump up like a ball, like a football. I like the touch and go and hoo sounds of the kabaddi and hurry and flurry of volleyball pulls me like a magnet. As soon as I am the field, I forget everything. So I want to play outside. I love the green grasses. I love those so different environments, clear environments, each and everything. I love very, very much, and I want to play different games in that field. And everything I want. What, Bhaiya? I want to play. He said like that. So this is scene 1. Next video we are going to learn scene 2. Okay. Scene 2. In the scene 2, Bhaiya is speaking. I have failed once again. Big brother, once again he failed. Munna, oh, but Bhaiya, I have passed and topped my class. Now there is only 2 years difference between us. Bhaiya failed. Big brother, he failed. And small brother, full happy. Oh Bhaiya, I passed. He failed. I passed. Once again, in top in my class. Bhaiya said, but my dear brother, don't be so proud. You don't be so proud. What they so proud? Listen to me. This is, you have passed only one class and you think that I am stupid and you are smart. Once in a while, in a Gulinda game, you might get lucky and hit a girl, but that doesn't mean you have mastered the game. You have to work hard to be successful in life. When you have to characters. Big brother saying, brother, this is only one class you passed. You passed one class. There are many classes are there. Don't be so proud. You thinking that, just don't you think that you are the smart, I am the stupid. This is just like Gulinda bang. That game. Luckily you got it and you hit the target. that not mean that you are very well known in that game, right? So in this way he said, now what would you do if I were to fall sick today? Suppose if I became sick, what you will do? Munna, I don't know bhaiya. I will tell Baba and he would rush to the hostel. I don't know, but I will tell to Papa that big brother fell in sick. So Papa will come to hostel. There is no problem. Bhaiya, I know that. You will say the same answer. I expect the answer. You will do the same. Now Baba would not get upset. He would first try to find out what was wrong and he would call a doctor. Baba would know exactly what to do. They have more experience than us. When you call, Baba will not do like that. Baba will come to know what exactly happened in the hostel. Then after he will meet the doctor and he will come. Why? Because Papa is more experienced than us. Okay, don't be smart. Big brother telling to small brother. Munna, with tear in his eye, Bhaiya, I am sorry. Bhaiya, I am sorry. What you say is true. So, you are really correct, Bhaiya. You are really correct. You are correct. I am sorry, Bhaiya, please. Next, Bhaiya Singh. I also like to play and fly kites. But if I also play, then how can I wash for you? You are my responsibility. So brother said, see brother, I also love to play. I also like to play different type of games. But if I will play, who will take care of you? You are my responsibility. You are my responsibility. Whatever happen, I have to respond to Papa. You are my responsibility. If I am going to play, anybody can't take care of you. Munna, I love you, Bhaiya. Oh, I'm so sorry. So like that, very pleasant, smiling. So to his brother, big brother. So here, in this relations, what do you understand? Very interesting things. In this relation, only it presented only the responsibility of a big brother, how it is showing, how they are suffering for the small brothers. Are you getting my point? So this is the story. I hope you understand these relations and try to focus on it. Read the lesson once again thoroughly. You also can understand better knowledge. Okay, and the session is completed. So then keep watching till then. Bye bye. Hard words and meanings, question answers, each and everything I will send in PPT or PDF file. So I hope you understand each and everything and you write properly and clearly. Then after send to my personal number in WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.